In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact JetBlue Support. This guide will help you navigate the various methods available for reaching out to JetBlue. Whether you have a question about your upcoming trip or need assistance with a reservation, you'll find the right steps here. To begin, visit the JetBlue Help Center by going to the website jetblue.com/help. This is the central hub for all support-related inquiries. Once you arrive at the Help Center, you may be prompted to sign in to your JetBlue account. Doing this is important because it allows JetBlue to provide you with personalized support based on your travel history and current reservations. After signing in, take a moment to search for your issue using the search bar or browse through the various help topics. This can often lead you to a quick solution without needing to wait for further assistance. If you still need additional help, look for the Contact Us option. This will guide you through the various support options available. Now that you know how to access the Help Center, let's talk about using the live chat feature. Again, start by visiting the JetBlue Help Center or open the JetBlue app on your mobile device. Once there, sign into your account if you haven't already done so. This step is essential because it ensures the support team can access your details and assist you more effectively. After signing in, look for the Contact Us link. This will take you to the chat option. When you select this, you will start a conversation with JetBlue's virtual assistant. This assistant can help with a variety of issues, and if needed, it will connect you to a live customer support representative. This is a fast and efficient way to resolve your queries. Next up, let's go over how to call JetBlue customer support directly. For general customer service inquiries in the United States and Canada, you can reach them at 1-800 JetBlue. That's 1-800-538-2583. This line is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This means you can get support whenever you need it, making it a reliable option. When you call, be prepared with any necessary information, like your flight details or reservation number, to help expedite the process. If you require accessibility assistance, you can contact JetBlue at 1-855 ADA line, which is 1-855-232-5463. It's important to mention that when you call this number, ask to speak with a complaint resolution official, often referred to as a CRO. This ensures that your concerns are handled with the appropriate level of expertise and care. As you explore these options, remember that JetBlue is committed to providing excellent customer service. Whether you choose to use the Help Center, live chat, or phone support, you will find that their team is trained to assist you efficiently. Always keep your travel details handy, as this will help streamline your experience. By following these steps, you can confidently reach out to JetBlue Support whenever you need assistance. You have multiple avenues to address your concerns, ensuring that help is just a few clicks or a phone call away. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made contacting JetBlue Support a simple process for you.